Sunday, last minute booking from Kai. I'm gonna shoot a wedding today here at the Armenian church. I forgot the name. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be shooting a wedding for just the ceremony today, and I'll be done after that. While on my way here, Brad from DigiDirect called me. Like I was wondering, okay, who's this call? And then it was a deep voice, like, oh, like who the? There are lots of spam calls everywhere. Like whenever it's around 5 p.m., somebody's gonna call spam and like all those scam things. But yeah, I said hello, and it was Brad. He said there's another A1 for sale and a lot of Sony lenses used. So I'm like, nah, I don't think I'm good with my setup right now. But yeah, interesting Sunday. Okay, it's around 1:04. I need to set up around 1:30, but I might just go in at around, let me see, 1:15, 1:10. I don't know, because I need to be ready. Yeah, that's it for today. I'll see how I go with my day today. Yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen, but anyway, that's it. Got all my gears in there, long bag, and that's a church over there. Yeah, it's quite cold. I went out and it's quite cold, so I'm just gonna go back to the car and just wait. And there's still a mass going on, so that's why there's a lot of cars outside. I know by the time they'll be done, this is gonna be clear, and I'll go in and set up. But as of now, yeah, just have to wait here and yeah, just wait here. Oh yeah. So just got in church today. Yep. Set up.
Oh no! And one more time, guys. One more time.
One more time.
I'll get you guys to hold hands and walk towards it.
Oh, I'm stuck!
Oh!
Everyone, look at this camera. Nice big smile. 1, 2, and 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Good. I'm gonna.
So yeah, currently done for today. Shot with Kai earlier and just got to meet T. Heading out right now. I'm gonna go out. I don't know what to say. So yeah, there goes Kai. And I'm heading there also. Yeah. Yep, we're heading there. So that's Kai, and he is, yeah, doing the photos right now.
This is pretty hot.
So heading back now. That's the church. And there's my car. Hey guys, so, oh man. See that sign at the back? That's Shakas, but it's not clear. Oh, I'm F4. Let's go down. Yeah, I just got myself another film camera today, which is the GR1. This is it. It's pretty mint. It's pretty good. I'm just trying to. Here you go. Just gonna redo the filming. Yeah, I'm back, guys. So yeah, I'm kind of confused what to do because you know me, I'm not a vlogger. I'm just me. By the way, check that out again. I think I said it earlier, but I didn't film properly. That's supposed to be Shakas, but it's bokeh, so it's like doesn't look good. Should have had a violet or something neon there. But anyway, yeah, just got the GR1. I really love the GR1 cameras. Here it is. Check that out. So it's mint condition. It's so good. The only thing is there's a part here which is the frame for the LCD which was broken. So I tried to glue it now, make sure that it doesn't fall off. It's pretty good though. When you just try to hold the camera, it's fast. Turns on fast. Fast turning on. Anyway, yeah, I'll put film on this one, and yeah, we'll see how we go with that, because I'm really loving film, even though it's a bit expensive, but yeah, I'm really loving it. Anyway, I'll show you what I've been doing. My desk is kind of all over the place, but yeah, this is the Ricoh GR, and yeah, you can see I removed the thing there, and this is the one. Because the thing is, yeah, it's a bit broken. I'm gonna try to get it off. There you go. It's not focusing. Come on, man. So let's do center autofocus. So here it is. This is, yeah, this is that. That's supposed to be there, but it's broken here, so I'm trying to glue it. And that's the power switch. And I have some little stuffs in there. So I'm trying to be careful not to mess this up, because this one's really mint. Look at that, man. So good. I prefer the black one, but yeah, this is the only one available. Yeah, loving film. Don't die me, mine. Okay, since I've told you about it, I'm gonna turn on the lights now. Just turn off the lights just to make sure that's how it looks. Bad lighting.